So it was like telling us it's just let
Time
Pele
to
rest.
Wow, that's so interesting to hear what happened. And you were there. Of course, we're so mesmerized by it.
止まった時をちょうど見ていたんですけれども、ずっと大噴火していて、で、ピタッと止まって、そしたら霧がね、わーっと来て、真っ暗になって、で、チカチカチカーって赤いのが見えてるんだけれども、もうペレはお休みですよというような、お休みしますよというような感じでした。
And just like Hello Pele. Like when those kinds of things happen, you just feel even more her presence because you know that she's in charge.
で、そんなことをね、目の前で見ると、もうペレにお任せしないとというような気分になりますね。
And then you feel even more grateful that you got to see it and be a part of it, and you just leave with Mahalo Pele on your mind.